Oh, no. These are not trendy lipsticks. Look, these are trendy. Look.
Wait. Is there makeup?
No,
Okay, you can go.
but it's actually lipstick. You just need to break it. Done. Makeup? Wow. And it's so cool.
Tap and search, it's the same old shit. I'm looking in, looking deep, let me take a sip. So what do you want, what do you need, why do you sleep, why do you leave? Tap in the name, enter the game, what is your name, can you explain? Hilly Billy, or maybe Silly Lily, but what am I?
Which one would you choose? Comment below and let me know. Click the subscribe and like button if you chose answer A. Subscribe and share if you chose B. Skip the video if you chose C. I give you 3 seconds to choose.